In this video, I will guide you how you can create and set up Telegram wallet. So start by opening up your Telegram and log into your account. Then what you need to do is to simply click on the search icon on the top of your screen and simply search for @wallet. Now once you search for the wallet, you're just gonna need to click on the Baltera, which is @wallet. So you just need to click on the start button and this will gonna give you an option to open your wallet. So simply click on the open wallet button and after that click on the I agree the terms and condition and click on the continue button. Now once you do so, this will gonna load up another screen which is going to show you your wallet, and as you can see it's in some other language. So simply click on the three dots on the top right and click on the settings and then click on the language and simply select your English language. Now let's go back and click on the start, and as you can see these are the options that you can find in any crypto wallet. They are all similar. If you want to send the crypto, click on the send button and then you just gonna need to enter the wallet address and the network details and you are good to go. If you want to add the crypto, click on this and select any of these three options from which you want to purchase your crypto. If you want to add it from bank card or P2P market, you can simply select any one of these. Then you're gonna need to click on the get verified and click on the continue. Then you're gonna need to enter your phone number. Then simply enter your first name, last name and date of birth. Once you are done, you can now click on the add crypto button again and then you can now select any of the asset that you want to purchase. Then you're gonna need to simply enter the payment method and you are good to go. So that's the basics of how you can create and set up Telegram wallet.